Did I ever record? Did I ever record anything? Well, look, who I got here, Mr. Lee. Hello, Mr. Lee. I'm Barry, the Blue Man's friend. Oh yeah, Mr. Lee. How you doing, Mr. Lee? I eat a banana. You eat a banana? Say hi. You doing to the people, Mr. Lee? Tell hi. How you doing? Boo. Mr. Lee, get back here. Meow, meow, meow. Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee, Mr. Lee, Lee, Lee. Bruce Lee, Brenda Lee, Barry Lee, and Monkey Lee. His name is Mr. Monkey Lee. Say hi again. Boo! Hey, get back. Get back. Hey, Monkey, get back here. Okay, well, the outstanding blue man here with Mr. Monkey Lee. He's all being monkeyed on me today. And, so how y'all doing, people out there? Mr. Monkey and the outstanding Bloom Man. Do we look together like the same here? Boo! Hey, who you looking at?